Today, we are going to install the DRT Motorsports Billet interior door handle kit for Polaris 2024 plus Xpedition. Install time for this item is around 15 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this installation: an impact driver and a T40 Torx bit. So gather the tools and let's get started. Step 1. Remove factory door handles. To begin, remove the factory door handles. Using an impact driver with a T40 Torx bit, remove the 2 bolts, securing the factory door handle to the door panel. If you are upgrading a 4-door model and purchase 2 sets of handles, repeat this step on the rear door. Step 2. Install DRT billet door handles. It's now time to install the new DRT billet door handles. Using the factory hardware, use an impact driver to securely fasten the handles to the door panel, ensuring they are tightened firmly in place. Congratulations, you have now installed your DRT Motorsports Billet interior door handle kit. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the dirt with DRT.